So times 1. And we can simplify this into y prime equal to x times 1 over x. This will be cancelled. Therefore, the first derivative of the function y equal to x ln x is ln of x. Oops, I'm sorry. This supposed to become a 1 since x will be cancelled. I'm sorry.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Math-matic TV. So today guys, let's talk about the derivative of a product. So we're done about the derivative of constant, derivative using a power formula, and the derivative of a sum. So now, let's talk about the derivative of a product. So the derivative of a product, so here's the formula, which is d over dx of ub is equal to u times dv over dx plus v times du over dx. So let's try some problem using this formula. So let's differentiate the function y equal to sine x cosine x. Following this formula, this is equal to, or the y prime, or the first derivative is equal to u is sine x and v is cosine x. So this is equal to sine x or u times dv over dx, or the derivative of cosine x, which is negative sine x, plus v, which is cosine x, times the derivative of the u or du, which is sine x. So what is the derivative of sine x? The derivative of sine x is cosine x. So let's simplify. Y prime, or the first derivative, is equal to sine x times negative sine x is negative sine squared x, plus cosine x times cosine x is, yes, cosine squared x. So hence this is the first derivative of the function sine x cosine x. So let's proceed to the second example. So let's get the derivative of the function y equal to x ln of x. So y prime, or the first derivative, is equal to, let's follow again the formula. So u is x and v is ln of x. So this is equal to x times the derivative of ln x, which is 1 over x, plus, maybe you're confused how I get the derivative of ln x. I will make a tutorial about differentiation of logarithmic later. Plus v, which is ln x or ln of x, times du, which is the derivative of u or the derivative of x. So what is the derivative of x? Yes, the derivative of x using a power formula is 1. So times 1. And we can simplify this into y prime equal to x times 1 over x. This will be cancelled. Therefore, the first derivative of the function y equal to x ln x is ln of x. Oops, I'm sorry. This supposed to become a 1 since x will be cancelled. I'm sorry. Plus ln of x, since ln of x times 1 is still ln of x. So this will be the answer, or the first derivative of the function y equal to x ln of x. Okay, let's proceed to the third example. For the third example, let's differentiate the function fx equal to x sine x. Again, following this formula, x is u and sine x is v. So f prime of x, or the first derivative, is equal to u, which is x, times dv over dx, or the derivative of sine x is cosine x, plus v, which is sine x, times the derivative of x, or du over dx, which means get the derivative of x, which is 1. So times 1. Hence, we can simplify this into f prime of x, or the first derivative, is equal to x cosine x times plus sine x times 1, which is still sine x. Hence, this is the first derivative of the function x sine x. Alright, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And please share your thoughts about it by commenting below. And if you learned something today, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see the other videos, link in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Stay tuned and see you on my next video. Thanks and God bless.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong.